Good afternoon, Red Raiders. Welcome back to this week's episode of the Construction Project Update. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Here's an update of the raised crosswalk along Indiana, connecting the Womble to the United Supermarkets Arena. A lot of progress here. You can see they've started pouring some concrete there on the southbound Indiana. And if we pan over a little north of Indiana, you can see where the roundabout is going to go at the intersection of Indiana and Main Street. The new Lot C10 expansion is right over there at the top of your screen, and you will actually have access to that lot from the roundabout as well. A lot of dirt has been moved, and they should be pouring concrete any day now. Thank y'all for watching.